Hey guys, I'm late getting this posted, but I made my mom a cake for Mother's Day, and I thought I should get it posted before Father's Day.
That texture looks perfect. It looks so good.
This is a small 6-inch bento cake, and I added just 1 layer of buttercream. I then piped a border to hold in the topping, which was an Oreo whipped cream. Kind of looks like mayo.
Yum. Wow.
I feel like that's the limit. Since my mom loves to garden, I added Oreo crumbs all over the top to resemble dirt, and then added a marshmallow fondant, M-O-M, and a flower. I hope you had a great Mother's Day, and what dessert did you have that day? Spin! Happy Mother's Day, Mom! Bam!